Samsung's plan for the Exynos 2300 have long been called into doubt. The flagship chipset, if launched, will power next year's Galaxy S23 series, but new reports now provide conflicting information on the company's current stance. Last week, reports revealed the model number and codename of a flagship chipset from Samsung expected to be the Exynos 2300. More information has now surfaced about the SoC, while sadly providing little to no confirmation on what chipset the Galaxy S23 series will come equipped with in Europe. According to typically reliable leaker Chevron8888, previous information providing the Exynos 2300's code name as Quadra was accurate, again showing that Samsung at the very minimum once had the Exynos 2300 in the works. Roland Quant indicates that information held true up until 6 weeks ago at least. Although things may have changed since then, another leaker Yogesh Bra claims Samsung is punishing to implement the Exynos 2300 on the Galaxy S23 but may end up sticking to Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 exclusively. On the flip side though, Chevron8888 firmly debunks prior rumors that claimed the Galaxy S23 series could feature chipsets from MediaTek. As it stands, the Samsung Galaxy S23 series will either use a combination of the Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 and Exynos 2300 depending on regional models, or the Qualcomm chipset exclusively. The latter does look more likely, however, with certain Korean sources also claiming that the Exynos 2300 has been scrapped entirely. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends, and I will see you in the next video.